Adobe Captivate Playback controls for accessibility. A screen reader is a piece of assistive technology that is frequently used while creating accessibility courses. Let's get started. We are using up and down arrow to navigating screen in this preview.
Mozilla Firefox window, play, button, button, rewind, button, play, button, backward, button, forward, button, 2x fast forward speed, blank, rewind, button, document, 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 button, exit, button, space, audio on selected.
Screen readers are a tool for testing accessibility because they confirm the flow of the page. Like, subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get notification of new video to make various Captivate slide elements accessible for all users.